John, this is the reason why na all of us, there is a need for us to come to the Word. Without coming to the Word, there's no need, there's no way for us to continue in our church. Diba? Una, sa 1 Peter, sa 2 Peter, ito nag-iwan ito niya. Okay, basahin ako. 1 Peter. Sa 1 Peter 2:2. 1 Peter Peter 2:2. What he said is that as basahin ako ang 1, verse 1. Therefore putting away all the malice and all the guile and hypocrisy and inveighing and all the evil speaking. In verse 2 says there, as a newborn babe, long for the guileless milk of the word,